Hello guys, welcome in this new video. Today we will see how to download JDK and Eclipse. So let's start. You have to type JDK and just click the first results. So the oracle.com results. So you just go here and I will download this Java version because it's the latest version of the JDK, and you can choose your machine. I have Windows, so you have to go here and download the installer. So just click here, the download will start automatically, and you have just to start the installation process. That's it's like the other installation process on Windows. So I don't install because I have already JDK installed. So let's go to the next step. So the first step is go here and install this JDK version. I will leave the link in description. So now let's search for Eclipse. So now we can download the Eclipse from here. Just click on the eclipse.org website and you see this. Okay, so there is get Eclipse, and you don't have to click here, but go here, download packages, and it will open this page. And okay, for use Java you could use this version, but if you want to work, for example, with servlet or JavaScript and HTML, so if you want to build a web app, you should download this version. I have actually this version. You just have to choose your OS. I have Windows, so you should download the Windows version. Okay, and just click download, and the download will start automatically. Okay, once downloaded, you have to extract it, and once extract, you have to go in the folder, so in the Eclipse folder, and you will find the Eclipse X file, and you should open it. So let's open Eclipse. I think you don't have to install. Let's see. Okay, it asks you which workspace you would like to use. The workspace is basically where you have all your project. So I will use the Eclipse workspace default. Probably what it says. Okay, because I'm using this workspace with another version of Eclipse, so let's choose another workspace. I will create once right now, so let me call it YouTube work, and I will use that workspace, but the workspace is basically where you have all your project. So let's open it, and now it should open Eclipse. Okay, so now let's close this, and okay, let's start. We can start creating a new project. So to create a new project, you can create from here, or you can just click new and other and Java project. Next, and we have to set a project name. I will call it YouTube project, and now just click finish. Don't create, and no. Okay, now we have create our first project. This is the project folder. Inside here we have all the library, but you actually don't have to look at them. If you want to create something inside here, you have to right click, new, and you can create a class, but usually a class is inside a package. So let's see what happen if I create a class without create a package first. So let's create a class. Name I will create it's just an example, so let's give him a random name. And what is saying us that the use of default package is discouraged. Why? Because you should create a package first, and in fact if I create a class, he will put the class inside the default package, but we don't want that. So let's create a new package. We have to go here on source, right click, new, and package. Now we have to set name, so I will call it YouTube test. As you can see, here is telling me that I'm using an uppercase for the package name, but by convention I should use a lowercase letter, so let's write YouTube in lowercase and just click finish. Now from here we can create a new class inside our YouTube test project. So right click, new, and class. Okay, so we have to set a name. I will call it YouTube class, and remember to give the uppercase letter because in Java there are some convention. You should use uppercase letter for class and lowercase letter for package. So we have to set here uppercase, and if this is your main class you have to click here for create the main methods, because in Java we have the main class that's called the other class, so the program will always start from the main class. If you don't have the main class, the program will not start. So now that we have created our main class, we can click finish. And okay, so this is a comment, is an inline comment. A comment is just for you, the program will not execute the comment. So you can write an inline comment like this, so on just one line, or you can write multi-line comment. You have to write like this, so and here you can write on multiple line, as you can see, and the program will not execute anything of this. So another thing that we can see, this I think is the last thing for this video, it's the system out print ln to print something on the console. So the console is useful, for example, to debug and to show the value. So if you are using Eclipse, you can just write CISO and control space, and Eclipse will automatically complete the commands for you. And or otherwise you can write all the commands, and here we can write the value that we want to display here in the console. So I will just write hello, and now I can start my program. So here and okay, and as you can see, here is displayed hello. So this video ends here. I hope you have understand all I have explained. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and leave a like. In the next video we will talk about primitive types and variable, and we will see in the next video.